Hi again. Welcome to our first episode. I'm Vivian Tu, aka your rich BFF and your favorite Wall Street girly.
I'm Brian Walsh, aka Dr. Money, and I lead financial planning at SoFi.
And this is Richer Lives, the show that helps you learn how to use your money to live your best life. I can't wait to talk to Elaine Welteroth.
Your difference is your superpower.
I'm so excited to have Chriselle Staus on the show with us today.
Go talk to someone. Figure out who you need to talk to. Ask those questions. I'm telling you, go do that.
If you have a dream and you are willing to hustle, you can get wherever you need to be.
Exactly.
People look at budgeting like it's a dirty word, but it's the discipline you put in place. That way you have the freedom to enjoy yourself where it matters.
Because everyone deserves the opportunity to live richer lives. We can have them edit this out. It's gonna be so good.